If you've been thinking about bringing a treadmill into your home or replacing your old one, this video will walk you through the 8 best treadmills available right now. All the links to the treadmills mentioned in this video are listed for you in the description, so feel free to check them out whenever you're ready. Today's list includes compact foldable options, strong mid-range picks, and premium commercial-style models built for long-term daily training. Whatever your fitness goals are, weight loss, endurance, steady walking, interval training, or building a full home gym, you'll find at least one treadmill here that fits what you're looking for. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial Series. Starting with the NordicTrack Commercial Series, a well-known high-performance option designed for people who want a smooth, comfortable run with plenty of training features. The motor is strong and quiet, which means you can use it early in the morning or late at night without disturbing anyone around you. The cushioning on the deck reduces the stress on your joints, making it a good match for longer runs or frequent daily workouts. One of the highlights of this model is the touchscreen, which lets you follow guided runs, interval sessions, and scenic outdoor routes. The incline and decline adjustments are fast and responsive, helping you simulate hills or downhill stretches to vary your training. The frame feels sturdy, stable, and built to handle regular use over time. If you want a treadmill that feels comfortable, motivating, and smooth with every step, the link is in the description. If you're just tuning in, this video is breaking down the best treadmills available right now. All the treadmills mentioned in this video are linked in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Number 2. Horizon Folding Treadmill. Next is the Horizon Folding Treadmill, a great fit for anyone who needs a space-saving machine that's easy to store and move around. This treadmill folds quickly and doesn't require much effort to set up or put away. It's ideal for apartments, multi-purpose rooms, or homes where space is limited. Despite its compact size, it performs well. The motor offers enough power for walking, jogging, and steady running. The cushioning is consistent, which helps reduce fatigue in your knees and ankles. The controls are simple and practical, giving you quick access to speed changes without any complicated menus. Overall, it's a treadmill that gets straight to the point: reliable performance, foldability, and a comfortable running surface. If you're looking for convenience combined with solid everyday use, you'll find the link in the description. Number 3. Horizon 7.0 Treadmill. Moving on to the Horizon 7.0 treadmill, this model offers impressive value for its price. It's a favorite among beginner and intermediate runners because it gives you a stable, comfortable deck and a motor that can handle interval workouts, steady jogs, and longer sessions without difficulty. The cushioning helps reduce impact, which is important if you're running frequently or dealing with joint sensitivity. It also connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, allowing you to use guided workouts or track your progress over time. The interface is straightforward, the deck feels stable, and the overall build quality is better than many treadmills in the same category. It's a strong choice for anyone who wants performance without overpaying for unnecessary extras. The link is in the description. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. Now let's take a look at the NordicTrack Commercial 2450, which is one of the most advanced treadmills you can bring into your home. This one is built for people who want a premium experience, from the large touchscreen to the wide range of incline and decline settings. The incline can go high enough to simulate steep hill climbs, while the decline lets you train downhill, something most treadmills don't include. These features add variety and help you target different muscle groups. The motor remains smooth and consistent even when switching speeds or inclines quickly. The running surface feels comfortable and spacious, giving you plenty of room to move freely. It's sturdy, durable, and has a commercial gym feel while still being designed for home use. If you want a treadmill that brings a lot of training versatility, this one is worth checking out. Number 5. ProForm Carbon TLX. Next up is the ProForm Carbon TLX, a well-rounded treadmill that offers balanced performance and value. The motor runs smoothly, the deck provides solid cushioning, and the controls are easy to use with simple, quick-adjust buttons. This treadmill is perfect for people who want something reliable for daily walking, running, or guided training sessions. You can adjust speed and incline quickly, and the frame feels steady even during faster runs. It also supports interactive workouts if you choose to use them, but it works just as well for users who simply want a basic, dependable treadmill without distractions. If you want smooth performance at a reasonable price, the link for this one is in the description. Number 6. Centr Runr-S Treadmill. Moving on to the Centr Runr-S Treadmill, this model brings together stylish design and strong performance. It offers comfortable cushioning, a smooth belt, and a steady motor that feels consistent both at lower speeds and during more intense workouts. The treadmill also includes smart features that let you track your training progress and stay on top of your goals. The layout of the controls is simple and modern, making it easy to adjust speed or incline mid-session. The deck feels sturdy, the grip on the handles is comfortable, and the overall build has a premium feel. If you want a treadmill that looks great in your space while still giving you solid performance, the link is in the description. Bowflex T9 Treadmill. Next is the Bowflex T9 Treadmill, a strong, durable machine made for users who want long-term reliability and the ability to take on difficult training routines. Bowflex equipment is known for its sturdy construction, and the T9 is no exception. Whether you're walking, jogging, or sprinting, the treadmill remains steady and supportive under your feet. One of the standout features is the adaptive workout technology, which adjusts your training based on your performance. It can also stream entertainment if you want something to watch while you train. The motor responds well to speed changes, the belt feels supportive, and the overall design is built to last. If you're setting up a more serious home gym or want a treadmill that can handle intense use, this one is a great match. And finally, we have the Echelon Stride 6, a compact, foldable treadmill designed for people who want performance without sacrificing space. This model folds almost completely flat, making it extremely easy to store under furniture or against a wall. Even though it's slim and lightweight compared to larger treadmills, it still offers smooth belt movement, comfortable cushioning, and the ability to follow guided workouts if you choose. The controls are simple, the running surface is comfortable for walking or jogs, and the foldable design is ideal for apartments, studios, or shared spaces. If your main goal is saving space without giving up functionality, check the link in the description. And that wraps up our full breakdown of the 8 best treadmills you can buy today. Whether you want a compact model that folds away easily, a mid-range treadmill for everyday training, or a premium machine that brings a commercial gym feel to your home, you now have a clear look at what each one offers. All the links for the treadmills mentioned in this video are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your training.